Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide Facebook friend list. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up your Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Facebook app on your mobile phone, you guys have to just simply open up the menus just by clicking on top right corner of your profile. So after tapping on that, here you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the settings and privacy. You have to just simply click on the settings and privacy to pop up the menu, and here you have to just simply select the settings. So in the settings you have to just simply scroll down until you will be able to find privacy checkup. So you have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, here it will provide you a privacy checkup of your Facebook account. So you have to just simply select the first option, which is who can see what you share. So you have to just simply select that, and here you have to just simply click on continue. So after coming to this profile information, you have to just simply scroll down. So after successfully scrolling down, you have to just simply go to the second last option, where you have to just simply click on the button which is who can see your friend list on your profile. So I have already set to only me. So you guys must have to just simply select it to only me if you want to hide. So if you does not want to hide, so you have to just simply select public or friend or anyone else. But in order to hide, you have to just simply select the only me. And also you have to just simply click on the who can see the people, pages and list you follow. So you have to also set it to only me. So after adjusting the audience to only me, so in this way you guys can hide your Facebook friend. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.